Good morning, students.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Children, I'm
Good
waiting
morning,
for.
ma'am.
Good morning, beta. I'm waiting for students to join since it's a combined class. So let more students join in, then I'll tell you what is to be done.
I have done the map activity.
Very nice. Very good.
And I'll send you on the group, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Fourth C, in first period, the number of students is less in your class also.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in first period there are 22 students maximum.
Yes,
Maximum.
ma'am.
Right now, there are only 17. Fourth A and fourth B.
ma'am, it's fourth C.
Sorry, fourth C and fourth B. Okay, children. I don't know why children are not joining in. Let it be. All of you take out your social studies fair copies.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
We'll do worksheet.
Yes, we'll do worksheet. And the worksheet is about answer the following in detail. So there are only 5 questions in the worksheet. All of you are going to write questions also. Don't ask this.
Ma'am, please send work. Sorry, please share worksheet.
Yes, beta, I'm sharing.
Ma'am, you will share. Ma'am, please share the worksheet on the WhatsApp group.
Okay, beta, I'll share it on WhatsApp also. Can you all see it here?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it's loading. Ma'am, no, I can see.
I will share it in both the classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know all these answers.
Very nice. Very good. Kanav Mittal, you have shown very nice sticker for your presence, huh? Kanav Mittal present for SST class.
Yes, ma'am.
Such innovative children we have in our school. From 4th B, I can only see Pratyaksh and Athar. Is there anyone else? Shirsh also. Anyone else from 4th B?
Ma'am, Harsh Patel also.
Harsh Patel and Vikas
Ma'am.
Rathwar.
Ma'am, from fourth B, we only attend, no one other attends.
Stuti Khandelwal has also joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 4-5 students today from 4th B. Akshada Tiwari looks like she's sitting in some kind of a museum. Akshada?
No, ma'am.
What is it? What kind of a
Ma'am,
background?
I have put a background so that the pictures so that you can't see the picture behind me.
Yes, I know. But it is a museum, na? It looks like a museum or some kind of a palace. What is it?
Ma'am, I think it is.
Ma'am, it is a type of palace.
Palace, yes.
ऑन कर लो दिखाओ कमेंट कितना आ रहा है
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, कितना ही है?
Yes, this is all beta because these all answers are very big. They are answer in detail. So you'll just be able to do these 5 answers today. And you also have to write these questions. Don't write the answers without questions.
Ma'am, there are only these questions.
What, Pratyaksh?
Ma'am, there are only these questions.
Yes, there are only these questions.
Ma'am, then we done, we send in WhatsApp group.
Yes, beta, you can send on WhatsApp group after completing it.
Ma'am, the lithosphere has 4 layers or 3 layers?
4 layers or 3 layers? Okay. Who will tell? How many layers are there in lithosphere?
Ma'am, can I tell Bhavya?
Yes, Bhavya, tell.
Ma'am, there are 5 layers.
Okay, name all these layers.
Ma'am, they are covered upper mantle, lower mantle, upper core, upper core and inner core.
And what about crust?
Ma'am, crust and outer core.
Ma'am, crust is the layer on which we live.
That is
It's
the
called
outermost
crust.
layer. That is the
Ma'am, what?
that is the outermost layer now where we live.
Yes, ma'am. But I have learned from the detail.
You have?
Learned from the detail
Okay.
questions.
All right. Who else will tell how many layers are there in?
Ma'am, can I share?
Yes, Shirsh, tell.
4 layers. Ma'am, there are 4
I
layers.
haven't
Completed. Crust, mantle, inner core and outer core.
Crust, mantle, inner core, and outer core.
Ma'am,
Is he-
excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have not completed my answer.
Okay, Bhavya, say what is your answer? What is left?
Ma'am, the crust is the uppermost layer of earth on which we live, and it is made up of soil, rock, and soil particles.
Okay.
Mantle, the layer lies under the ocean bed, is called mantle. Core, the core is the center part of the earth and made up of iron and nickel. And the core is the hottest part of the earth.
So how many layers these have been?
Ma'am, the mantle has 2 layers and the
And core
core
also
has
has
two
2 layers. So core is divided into 2 parts, and mantle also is upper mantle, lower mantle, and the outermost layer is crust. So beta, you're
Ma'am,
going to
can you tell my answer?
what?
Ma'am, can I tell my answer?
Okay, tell.
The lithosphere has 4 layers. The layers of which we live is called the crust. It is made up of soil, rock, and solid particles. The layer that live under the ocean
That lies. Beta, the layer that lies.
that the layers that lie under the ocean bodies and continents, it's called the mantle, and it is made up of
Magma.
the core is the center part of the lithosphere. It is made up of iron and
Iron and coal. Sorry, iron and nickel.
Iron and nickel. The core divided into the outer core and the inner core.
Yes, good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rishabh, say.
Ma'am, can I get more details on second one, how a plane form made?
How are planes formed? Yes, write it in detail.
I'm saying that we write in a short form the lithosphere has 4 layers.
No, you have to describe. See, what is the heading? Answer the following in detail. So you have to tell about each and every layer also.
Okay, ma'am.
Just don't name the layers, describe each layer. What we are doing. Beta, see, I have shared screen. We are doing this worksheet in social studies copy.
Ma'am, I have done.
Who has done?
Ma'am, Samar Pratap Singh.
Samar Pratap Singh, beta, send your work on class group.
Okay.
Ma'am, in your next class, can we do again this worksheet?
Yes, beta,
Because
if you're
we
not.
have
Yes, if you won't be able to complete it, no worries. We'll continue in the next class.
Ma'am,
Yes, Yashmit.
I'm saying like um in mental, in that line only can we write that mental is divided into two parts, uh, upper mental and lower mental.
And which layer is mental? That also you have to tell where it lies.
Yes, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes. Who is calling me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, in question number third, can we write any river and we write details?
Any river? There are only two types of river. So you have to write both of them. What do you mean by any river?
Okay, what are the
So, ma'am,
different
first we tell there are two types of river, and then
Yes,
we
then you
give,
have to explain both the types of rivers. And then you have
and
to.
ma'am, then we will give example.
Yes, yes.
Now, can we write snow-fed river and rain-fed river?
Yes, snow-fed rivers and rain-fed rivers. And then you have to explain what are they? How are they
Excuse
formed?
me. Ma'am, we have to give two examples or one example.
You can give one example each.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in third question, you have written what are different types of rivers. Explain using examples. So we have to draw a diagram also.
No, beta, no. No diagram is required.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the chapter water bodies, in this one, the lake one, in the fact, wait a minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, in the Factpedia, there is given a Caspian Sea, which is actually a lake, but why is it known as Caspian Sea?
Beta, it is known as a sea
Ma'am,
because.
can I tell?
Okay, tell. You tell.
Ma'am, the Caspian Sea is a river, is a lake, but it is known as a sea because, ma'am, it is too large lake. That's why.
Yes. Because lakes are supposed to be small water bodies, but Caspian Sea the lake is so large that it has been named as a sea. Because of its size, it is known as a sea. Okay, Anika?
Ma'am, so the Caspian Sea is not in the water of Caspian Sea is not salty.
Now, beta, we have to find that out, whether it is salty or not.
No, ma'am. I think it is not salt. It is not salty. Ma'am, I also think that.
Let me just find out. It says that Caspian Sea is not fresh water. Its salty water is diluted by the inflow of fresh water, especially in the north. So it is not as salty. The water is diluted with what? With a fresh flow, with a fresh inflow of water.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the water bodies chapter, in this one, I have heard that there are many lakes, rivers from which human beings drink water.
Yes. Then, so beta, what is your question?
धनंजय आपका सही है अक्षरा आपने जो लिखा ना सोडियम कार्बोनेट
Mute yourself.
का हाइड्रेट भी होता है
Who is this? Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, I have done and sent my work in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, beta.
I'm like in the second one. I know how our planes form, but I don't but I don't know what is debris. So can I write the other methods by which there is breakdown of that?
Yes, you can
breakdown?
write beta.
Yeah, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Alankrita. Beta, you have joined the class 3 minutes before, 2 minutes before. Join at
Sorry, ma'am.
8:10. Okay, this is the other class going on.
Okay.
Ma'am, in your period, can we continue with this work?
Yes, Rishabh.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am writing the third answer.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I am on the phone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, don't join the class before 8:10. The second period starts at 8:10.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I could not do the fourth one.
Why? Write a note on hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? Okay, the question is write a note on hydrosphere. Shaurya Tyagi,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, what have you written the note on? You have written note on biosphere. And what is the question? Write a note on hydrosphere.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is wrong. Absolutely wrong. In the next period, in the next class, you are going to do it correct. Okay, rectify that. Even I did not pay attention. I just checked it.
Ma'am, what?
I
Ma'am, I
checked.
join now.
I'm not saying anything to you, Akshaj.